Hi, I'm Tim Sullivan, founder of Connector LLC. We build online communities that support people in recovery. When it comes to recovery, you have to remember that you are not alone. We are all in this together. Regardless of how alone you feel, there are people out there to help, which is why Recovery Connector was created. In America, over 70,000 people overdosed and died in 2017. Only 11% of people in America get treatment for substance disorder. Millions of extra dollars have been spent by the federal government fighting the overdose epidemic. The numbers show that much of this spending has been effective to save lives. In Rhode Island, statistics have demonstrated that a significant number of people refuse counseling after being offered such in emergency department visits for overdose. Further analysis of these numbers show that even more patients have refused counseling of any kind over time, from 41.9% in 2017 to an average of 43.5% in 2018 and rising to 52.4% through August of 2019. We need to look for better solutions. Something needs to change in how we do things. Stigma is probably the biggest impediment to treatment and successful recovery. Stigma causes people to be afraid and they don't know where to turn. Think of someone who is suffering from addiction. How many people do they have to talk to? 3 if they're lucky, maybe 6. What if that number were dozens, if not thousands? That is what Recovery Connector's online community is designed to create. Recovery Connector. Join the Recovery Connector community today. It's available online and in both Google Play and the Apple App Stores. Please join the community today.